Okay, so this is a quick video about wearable sensors and wearable biosensors. So what I have in here is a integrated flex circuit with a sensor on it, and what we're specifically going to focus on is how do you attach sensors like this, which are designed for really analyzing things like analyzing the sweat. So at Zimmer and Peacock, we make this sensor in several configurations, including lactate, glucose, potassium, sodium, and pH, and sometimes oxygen. So that's this is the sensor on the end here, and then it's integrated with the flex circuit. But what I'm actually going to specifically talk about today is actually adhesive materials. So what I have on my hand here is 4 materials. I've got the part numbers on them, and they're either acrylate or silicones. So I've sort of written a little blog post about this. It's on the Zimmer Peacock website. And what we're saying is that, there's kind of silicone adhesives. They're, let's say, the most gentle adhesives for sort of shorter term applications. There's like acrylates or acrylates, which are sort of have a higher adhesion rate. And then there's natural rubbers, which have the highest. What I want to do is just give you a quick sense that, what do these materials look like? How do they stick to the body? So what I've done here is these have all been on for about 2 hours. I'm just going to this one is called 2476. It's a 3M product, and I'm just going to sort of pull it, and you can see that it comes off quite easily. So that one, you would say, you could use that in a sort of sports application, maybe a couple of hours, but it's not stuck on terribly. It's not stuck on very strongly, and that's fine. That depends on the application. Now this one, I've got a suspicion, is very strong. It's called 1776, which makes me think, I've got a suspicion it is an acrylate. Luckily it's peeled off on one side, and I'm going to pull it. Yeah, now that is considerably, look at the way it's pulling my skin, it's considerably stronger adhesion to my body. So that 1776 was definitely more strongly attached than the 2476. So now I have a 4077. Let's have a, yeah, this is quite, look at the way it's pulling my skin. Look at that. It's actually, yeah, it's really, really strongly adhered. That really suggests that is an acrylate as well. There we are. Now it's sprung off, and it's even left a bit stuck to my skin. So that, it gives you a sense of, actually, depending on the application, some of these materials are, more or less strongly attached, but that's not a bad thing. It depends on, do you want a quick wearable, or, for example, do you want the sweat analysis just for a couple of hours, therefore you don't want to be strongly attached. Well, in fact, is it meant for 2 weeks for like a CGM, continuous glucose monitoring application, which point you do actually want quite a strong adhesive. And then the last one now, 4076, look at that as well. This must be an acrylate as well. Look at the way it's pulling my skin as I try to get it off. And there it comes off. So, in summary, at Zimmer Peacock, we make wearable sensors for things like sweat analysis, things like CGM. It's the sensor and the electronics, but we're also expert at actually asking you questions about what's your application, how long is the sensor going to be in place for, and therefore choosing the appropriate materials for holding those sensors in place. Okay, thanks very much.